What is going on, guys? It is Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today, from the title of this video, you guys already know we will be having some garage time, doing some maintenance on my turbo Mitsubishi Lancer GT. I don't drive the car much at all, but it is pretty long due for an oil change, so that's what we're gonna knock out today. I'm actually wearing my shirt that says I need my garage time. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock it out. I have some time, so might as well get some maintenance done. Alright, and we're here in the garage. We're going to be doing an oil change on this car. So let's go ahead and start her up. It's been a little while since we started up the Mitsubishi. I will be doing it outside, so let's go ahead and drive it out of the garage. So we have the car out of the garage. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and jack it up, get it up in the air, drain the oil. I did go to the auto store, pick up some oil. So we are running the 0W20. Got some Mobile One oil. They're having a promotion, so pick up the oil, 5 quarts. You also get the filter, which I don't have the filter here because they're out of stock, but I'll be there in a bit to pick it up. Get the funnel, get the drain pan, all for a price of $43. Not bad at all. Okay, so now that I have my car all jacked up, we are able to go underneath. So I have my creeper. I'm just gonna lay down on my creeper, take a look underneath. Okay, so we're underneath the car. Oil filter is right there. There's this shield that you want to remove. Mine is, I guess you could say, partially on. But to remove it, you just need 10mm ratchet. So there are a couple of 10mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. This piece should come right off. So that way whenever you drain the oil and take out the filter, you're not going to have oil splatter everywhere on this plastic piece. Now remove the back 2 10mm bolts. All pretty easy to remove, just 10mm bolts that's holding this plastic tray in place. Okay, all 10mm bolts are out. Now you can just remove this plastic piece, toss it aside. So right now you have clear view of the oil filter, just so whenever you get your oil change done, you're not going to have oil splatter everywhere on this plastic piece. All you need is this wrench to remove your oil filter and a pan to kind of collect all the oil.
So there you have it. Filter is off. Just letting the oil slowly drain. It's been a little while since I've done an oil change, so you're gonna make sure to do it periodically from time to time. Right now I'm still waiting on the oil filter because I had it ordered. They don't have it in store, so I'm just gonna pause for right now, wait for the oil filter, put it back on, and then once that's on I can just fill the oil from the top and we're all set. And while the oil drains and I wait for my oil filter, this is a perfect time to check oil fluids. So I'm going to check that on the S2000 as well as my Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm going to start with coolant. We have some OEM Mitsubishi coolant. So we're going to do that. Fill it up here, fill it up in my reservoir. Over the years, a lot of people ask, what is this Buchanan bottle doing? It's my coolant overflow tank. Okay, time for the S2000. Same thing. This tank is a little bit low on coolant. I'm gonna top it on my radiator as well. Coolant as well as coolant overflow done. Check our level right here. This is good to go. Check this right here. You're breaking your clutch fluid. So it's good to go as well. So there's a little indication max and minimum. So I just had mine topped up not too long ago. So fluids are good. We're going to go ahead and check the oil dipstick on the S2000, which is right here. Wipe it down with a cloth or towel. Put it back in there. Pull it back out. Check the oil level. So right now it's cold. This is perfect, good oil. Stick it back in. Oil level is good. Color looks good as well. Alright, so filter is now on there. You're gonna make sure threading fits good, and I like to do a nice hand tight, not over tighten it. So right now let's go ahead and throw back that plastic shield, top up the oil, and we should be all set. And after feeling about a quart in, one good practice I like to do is just check underneath, make sure everything's good, make sure it's not dripping any oil. Alright, so oil's all good to go. Right now I can go ahead and remove that. I like to wipe it down real quick, and then you can go ahead and put the oil cap back on. Alright, so oil cap's back on. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and set up the car, let it run for a little bit, make sure there's no oil leaks or anything like that. Let it run for a few minutes. I'm gonna reset that because the oil change is done. So car's running. Go ahead and check underneath. Looks good, no oil leaks. Alright, let's go ahead and move this car back into the garage spot.
Alright, oil change is all done. So there you go. Super easy maintenance on the Mitsubishi Lancer. I've procrastinated it for way too long. Finally had some time to do it. I actually did my boy's oil change for my coworker Ryan just last week, and I was like, you know what? It doesn't take that long to check out the car and go ahead and do an oil change and quick maintenance on it, especially since I haven't done it on that car for a while, since I don't drive it much. But again, always make sure to do your maintenance. If you want your car to last long, maintenance is key. For me, thankfully I don't drive my car. I don't daily drive that car, so you know, I've been pushing it back a little bit. But again, maintenance, maintenance, maintenance. Check your oil, make sure your oil changes on time, your fluids, check your brake fluids, your transmission fluids, your clutch fluids, you know. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video.